Hello everyone, this is Lamia Rahman Rosa, Head of Branding at English Olympiad. So I welcome all of you to English Olympiad Season 3. So our English Olympiad started its journey back in 2016. We have organized two events, two very big grand finale at 2018 as well as 2020. Our first grand finale was at ICCB in Bosundhara, and our second grand finale was at United International University. We got a huge number of response. There were optimum number of participants from all over Bangladesh, and it was the biggest event of all time. So I know all of you are waiting for English Olympiad Season 3. Now I'll be guiding you towards everything, what not to do and what to do, and also the preparations for English Olympiad Season 3. So without further ado, let's get started. So our English Olympiad Season 3 will start from January 2022. Now, please do not rely on our Facebook's event dates because we do care about the feasibility of the students. So please do check your texts as well as emails. And if you feel like your email needs to be updated, please do contact us at englisholympiadbd@gmail.com. With that being said, we will definitely send you texts and emails which you have provided, and you will get all the details, like all the texts and emails before the event. And also keep an eye on our website for further details. Moving on to our preparations arena, we would like to suggest you English Mania Volume 1 and 2. 80% of your questions, that is MCQs, will be covered from there, and the rest 20% will be covered from contemporary news and updates of the world. Now, if you want extra support for your preparations and want to have a very advanced preparation, we would like to offer you some online courses. That is, we will be covering the courses for 6 groups: kids, small starts, juniors, high flyers, trailblazers, as well as seniors. With that being said, we will also like to organize some physical workshops in 8 divisional cities. So, in order to stay connected, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, everybody.